Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. For GALA, unfortunately, a largely unchanged situation. We continue to be of the opinion that GALA rallied in a wave one of an impulse between December and February. We then came down in a wave two. So we had a wave one, we had a wave two, and then this could be another 1-2 setup, and we could rally in a third wave. I've just made a Harmony 1 video. It's a very similar structure. As long as we're holding 3.34 cents or 3.35, the idea is that we can go higher in the current wave count, basically in a so-called 1-2 setup, and we would rally in a third wave. The alternative is, but this is really the last bullish setup I have on the chart, is that the move up in the into February was a wave one, but then the move down was not a wave two, instead it was a wave A, and we're doing a wider flat pattern here, and this is again another ABC in wave B. So A wave, B wave, which would be very shallow, so I wouldn't be surprised if this goes a bit higher, and then we would come down in C. But here really last bullish support I have left is 2.57 cents. A sustained break below that would make invalidation of this larger 1-2 flat pattern likely. So invalidation will become likely below a drop, or when a drop below the 78.6 fib level occurs. It needs to be a sustained drop. What does that mean? It means price needs to break below it and sustain there. It just needs to consolidate below that level or something similar. And until we see any strong signals that we are reversing to the upside, we have to assume that the lower trend or the lower degree trend is currently down and will continue like that. I have no strong bottoming signal here other than that we are now in the support area and that the downtrend is slowing down a bit. But we need a first 5-wave move to the upside. So what we eventually want to see is a first 5-wave move up. We want to see a first 3-wave move down, and we want to see, for even better confirmation, that in the next move up, the high of the first 5-wave move is broken. This will be confirmation that we are starting to go up in a third wave. This should go in line with a break of resistance here, the 4.2 cent level. As I said before, a break of the 4.2 cent level to the upside would be a first indication that we are starting that third wave rally. For a little bit more detail, we can explore what are the moving averages doing. Let's take a look at the 20. What is that? Is that the period moving average? Let's go to the, I think it is. So let's go to 20, 50, 200 period moving averages. Let's go to the daily chart, and they will morph into the daily moving averages. What we can currently see here is that so make that a bit larger. They're all quite close together. So the 20 is the blue one. 20-day moving average is just hovering above the price, which means we are in a downtrend. It's a trend filter. The 50 is below, so the 50 is above the price as well, the 50-day. So it's an even stronger indication that we're in at least in a short-term downtrend. But then again, in sideways movements, moving averages are less useful. We are above the 200-day though, and we bounced off the 200-day moving average now twice. That's the purple line. 200-day moving average is currently around 3.65 cents. So I would expect this is going to be furthermore strong support. Okay, so ideally that's holding. Ideally we don't want to break below that level. I don't work with moving averages too much, but first of all, not much is going on, and then we've seen a reaction to the 200-day moving average. Might be quite useful to know. All right, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.